This is the A major 7 chord. Hi, I'm Tom Fontana from TheGuitarLesson.com, and today we'll be learning the A major 7 chord. Now the fingering for this chord is your first finger on the first fret of the G string, your second finger goes to the second fret of the D, and your third finger goes to the second fret of the B. And as with all the A chords, you'll be strumming the higher 5 strings. Now I'll strum all the strings one by one to make sure that they're ringing clearly. And if you do hear any fret buzz or any deadened notes, then just have a look at your fingers, make sure none of them are muting any of the adjacent strings. Your fingers are as far up towards the metal fret bar as possible, and that your fingers are arched up, so they're not slouching like this, they're arched up like this, okay? Now let's use the chord on, chord off technique to burn this chord shape into our muscle memory. So hold down the chord, strum it once, wiggle your fingers a bit, strum it again, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on. And try to place your fingers back into that exact chord shape. Let's put the chord into context by putting it into a chord progression, the 1-4-5 chord progression. Since we're in the key of A, our one chord will be the A major 7. The D major 7, for example. And our 5 chord could be the E. And for the strumming pattern, we could use the classic down, down, up, up, down, up. Now let's have a look at the chord progression. And that's how you play the A major 7 chord.